Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use import statements and I'm going to give you a few examples of some import statements in Java. So let's get started. Okay, so before I give you examples of any import statements, I'm going to first tell you what import statements are. So import statements are pieces of code that you can import into your program if you need that specific code in order to run your program. So for example, a common import statement to use is java.util. So let me show you really quickly. So let's do import java.util.star. And the star basically means that anything in java.util will be imported into this program. So this is mainly used for the scanner class. So for example, if I do scanner scan equals new scanner, and then system.in. Now I can use this scanner class in my program because of this import statement. If I did not have this import statement, for example, I would get an error. Okay, so another import statement you can use is java.swing or javax.swing. So we'll do javax.swing.star. And this is mainly used for creating panels and frames onto the screen. And if you want to know more about this, go check out my other videos where I create panels and frames. Okay, another import statement you can use is java.awt. So we'll do import java.awt.star. And this is mainly used for creating custom colors or adding colors into your program, adding fonts for strings, and overall just adding any graphics into your program. You need java.awt. Okay. Another import statement you can use is import java.awt.event.star. And this is mainly used to take keyboard inputs into your program. So if you need to take in any keyboard inputs, you would use java.awt.event for your program. All right, so the final import statement that you can use in your program is java.awt.image. And this import statement is used to put images onto the screen. So for an example, if you want to get any images from Google, you can use that on your in your program by using this import statement. Okay, and there are thousands of more import statements you can use in your programs, but these are really common in a lot of programs. So I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and go check out my other videos if you want to see these import statements being used.